What's up guys, today I will show you how to change mobile number on Instagram. So first open the Instagram application, then click on the profile icon and tap the three line and scroll down and show the account setter option. So tap on it, then click the personal detail option and you show the mobile number, Gmail and your birthday and tap the contact information option, then choose the add new contact option and choose the add mobile number option and email option and enter the number you want to add and next option tap it and your mobile number is successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.